This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Evelyn Thomas. Beautiful 2-bedroom 2.5-bath condo in sought-after Greenbrier. This gated community includes elevator, fitness room, ground maintenance, security and trash pickup. This condo has 2 primary bedrooms with ensuite baths. Gleaming hardwood floors, crown molding, cherry cabinets, and includes all appliances. Granite countertops in the kitchen and bathrooms. Assigned covered parking and storage unit. Large balcony with a wooded view. Other amenities include a fitness room and a gathering room with huge kitchen and a large entertaining area. There is lots of storage and several walk-in closets. Near medical facilities, shopping, fine dining, Dollar Tree headquarters, Chesapeake Park, and interstates. See this one today. For more information, review the details below or contact Evelyn Thomas at 757-650-2449.